Welcome to Militarist Channel, floating cities powered by advanced engineering. Aircraft carriers are among the largest warships ever built, often described as floating airbases at sea. Designed to project aviation capability across oceans. Their size alone redefines maritime engineering.
Some stretch longer than 3 football fields.
Advanced radar systems monitor vast maritime spaces. Inside, multiple decks operate like a small floating city. Massive elevators move aircraft between hangar and flight deck.
Launch systems enable aircraft to take off from limited deck space.
Some carriers use ski jump ramps instead of catapult systems.
Launch methods vary, depending on carrier design philosophy. Nuclear-powered carriers can operate for decades without refueling. Conventional carriers rely on powerful turbine propulsion systems.
The USS Gerald R. Ford represents the newest generation of supercarriers. Its electromagnetic launch system replaces traditional steam catapults. The Nimitz class has served as the backbone of the U.S. Navy for decades. China's Fujian marks a significant step in carrier modernization.
The United Kingdom's Queen Elizabeth class emphasizes modern design efficiency.
India's carriers demonstrate growing indigenous naval capability. Displacement tonnage is one of the key indicators of carrier size.
The largest carriers exceed 100,000 tons of displacement. Coordinating aircraft operations requires precise teamwork and discipline.
Arresting gear systems allow jets to land within a short deck distance.
Beneath the flight deck lies a vast hangar complex.
Massive elevators connect operational decks efficiently.
The island tower integrates command and control systems. Navigation and fleet coordination rely on advanced digital systems. Carriers rarely operate alone. They sail within carrier strike groups.
Together, they form one of the most complex maritime systems ever created.
Even the anchor system reflects the immense scale of these vessels. Inside, multiple reinforced decks distribute weight across the hull. Massive propulsion shafts transfer energy to drive the carrier forward. Nuclear propulsion enables sustained high-speed operations across oceans. Engineers constantly monitor performance systems below deck.
Precision coordination is essential for safe deck operations.
Operations continue day and night, regardless of weather conditions.
Night landings require exceptional training and advanced instrumentation.
Thousands of personnel live and work aboard these floating cities.
Comprehensive support systems ensure operational readiness at sea.
Work and halt. Logistics sustain long deployments across vast distances.
Helicopters expand operational flexibility and logistics capability.
Deck markings organize complex aircraft movements efficiently. Communication networks link carriers to global command systems. Layered defense systems enhance maritime security.
Securing aircraft on deck is critical when navigating open waters.
The reinforced hull absorbs the force of powerful ocean waves.
Massive propellers generate the thrust needed to move these giants.
Storage capacity allows extended deployments without frequent port visits. Fueling procedures are carefully managed to ensure safety and efficiency.
Continuous maintenance keeps aircraft mission ready at all times.
Specialized vehicles assist in moving aircraft across the vast deck.
The flight deck spans an area comparable to several city blocks. Advanced sensors provide situational awareness across vast distances.
Rotary aircraft extend the carrier's operational flexibility.
Replenishment operations sustain long-term maritime presence.
Training ensures readiness in all operational conditions.
Scale and engineering combine to create unmatched maritime platforms. Few machines represent technological ambition on this scale. Across the world, only a few nations operate these floating airbases.
When comparing the largest carriers, scale is only the beginning.
Displacement, length, and crew capacity define their operational footprint. Modern launch systems increase efficiency and reduce mechanical stress.
Other carriers optimize deck design for short takeoff aircraft.
Emerging designs introduce advanced catapult capabilities.
Deck configuration influences aircraft handling efficiency.
Stability at sea reflects decades of naval design refinement.
Integrated command systems coordinate complex maritime operations.
Behind the scenes, engineering teams sustain continuous power output.
Incidents. Despite differences, each carrier reflects national engineering priorities. The Ford class represents the latest evolution in supercarrier engineering. The Nimitz class continues to demonstrate long-term operational reliability. China's Fujian marks a significant advancement in carrier design. The Queen Elizabeth class reflects modern European naval strategy.
India's indigenous carrier demonstrates expanding shipbuilding capability.
Propulsion systems define endurance and operational flexibility.
Nuclear power allows extended deployments without frequent refueling.
Electromagnetic launch systems improve efficiency and reduce stress on aircraft.
Ski jump decks offer an alternative approach to aircraft launch.
Arresting systems ensure safe landings within limited deck space.
Carriers operate within coordinated strike groups for support and protection.
Advanced sensors provide awareness across vast maritime distances.
Human coordination remains central to carrier operations. Continuous maintenance ensures operational readiness. Logistics allows sustained global presence far from home ports. Their reinforced hulls are built to withstand harsh ocean conditions.
Scale and sophistication define these modern supercarriers.
They remain among the largest mobile structures ever constructed. Their presence reshapes the horizon itself.
More than ships, they are integrated aviation platforms at sea. Decades of innovation converge into a single floating structure.
From bow to stern, every section serves a precise purpose. Aviation capability remains at the core of carrier design.
Around the globe, only a handful of nations operate these giants.
They stand as enduring symbols of maritime engineering excellence.
Few machines ever built match their scale and complexity.
They remain among the most ambitious engineering projects at sea.
Thank you for watching Channel Militarist. If you enjoyed this educational and neutral documentary, please subscribe, like, and share to support our channel.
Stay tuned for more in-depth aerospace and naval documentaries.